What's up everyone, welcome to another video. Last year I picked up one of the original Axial mini Capras, the UTB18 with no rear steer. Had a few little issues and a couple what I consider necessary upgrades made to it. So in this video we're gonna go over my experience with it and then show you its first outing at Watson Lake in Prescott, Arizona. The mini Capra is a great rig. It's a little bit larger than I was expecting, but that's kind of a good thing. It's such a great size for bringing along on hikes or vacations or whatever. It's too small to walk along with and drive the whole trail, but it's so light you kind of barely notice it on your backpack. And it's more capable than you might think. I did have a couple issues right out of the box, primarily the way the ESC and the gearing work together. The minimum wheel speed was far too high and you simply can't slow crawl with it. It's geared too high and the ESC doesn't start to apply power until about 10% throttle. I ended up swapping in a Hobby Wing Mini 16 setup before it ever touched the dirt. The motor dropped in no problem with the stock pinion. The stock gearing worked great with the FOC motor's insane low speed control. The other issue is tons of pushing and understeer. The servo is plenty strong as it's a standard size versus a mini, but there's no overdrive gearing out of the box to make the front wheel spin faster. The rear wheels end up pushing the front end like crazy. Axial makes an overdrive kit that I installed along with the motor right away, but it only gets you about 11% overdrive. For a more focused crawler, 20 to 30% is a better setup. So I picked up some underdrive gears from Team Garage Hack for the rear axle to get about a 23% difference. After upgrading those two areas though, the little Capra is fantastic and I bring it along on adventures often. Alright, time to check out my first drive with the sweet little rig out at Watson Lake. Enjoy!
Oh yeah.
That's gonna be tough. It's probably no surprise that the little Capra is a blast around the trails. Carry it with you on hikes and stop along the way, bring it on road trips, set up courses in your house or backyard. It's just such a great little supplement to outdoor activities, and Watson Lake is as epic as anywhere for it. Awesome lines everywhere, right from the beginning of the trail. You can then make a loop via Watson Dam and Flume Trail and jam with your crawler the whole time, or go the route that I did in this video and circle the whole lake via Over the Hill and Lakeshore Trail, finding endless lines until you've had enough and end up at Peavine Trail, where it's best to pack up the crawler and cruise back to the lot. Check out the links to the routes in the description and subscribe up, because we'll definitely be coming back here with some bigger rigs. Hope you enjoyed this first drive with the UTB18. I love this little thing, and it already has some more mods on it, so keep an eye out for future videos with it. Also, let me know if you have one and what you've done to it. And as always, keep trailing ahead.